table tag. The table tag we need to take uh, the caption. So what the caption you need difference of table. So caption here I am building the monthly sales report. Monthly sales report I am doing here. And here I'm taking TH, that will be the table head, and TR, that will be the table row, and here the TH, that will be the table head. Okay, so here I am taking monthly table head in the heading, that will be I am taking monthly and sales. Okay, two columns I am taking sales. So end with the table row, and after that end with the table. So I'm taking here the table body. Table body mean the table data I need to fetch here. Okay. So for that I'm taking the table body here. Here the TR, that will be the table row, and table data means TD. Okay. The TD means table data. So I'm taking here January, Jan, and what I have taken the month and of the sales. Here I am taking in the form of the table data. I am taking 10,000. Okay, so it will be completed, and after I am taking all another data using your table row here. February I will take. Okay, February, Feb in the TD. In TD I am taking. Okay. In, after that I am taking CD. Here I will take 12,000. Here I will take another data. CD and March. Here the table data. Here 11,000. Okay. So the monthly report what I have paid the manually. So we will see. Wait, and I'm going to take open in browser. So see here the monthly report and data. So I will use here some activity using for table structure. For it wants to become the like a table structure format, right? So go here and add in the table border one. So that will be the attribute border one. Okay, see here the border will be present for all the tables of the data. So here like this. So we need some place, uh, some place for looking purpose UI interface. We need some good, right? So it will not that much of good. For that you can use cell padding. It will give some space as well. Cell padding 8 I will take. Okay. So see here some space it is represented to around the table, columns and rows, the formats, right? So here I will take cell spacing I will take, okay? Cell spacing. Without using this here I'm enrolling this one. Using only the attribute formats. Okay? See here. So one border is gone here, right? So after that, width I will take 100%. Right. Okay. See here. So it is looking good, right? So here the caption what I have added, the monthly report, and here the month, and here the sales, right? So it is okay. Yeah, it is fine. How the HTML table how it will be the manually I have taken using HTML table tag. Okay. What you are modifying here? Suppose you are modifying your, so I'm taking the column just exactly here presented same like